In software development, low-code and no-code mean just what they sound like. Low-code and no-code development platforms are highly visual software environments that enable users of all skill levels to design applications. There is very little or no coding required. In this video, we'll talk about when and why organizations use low or no-code apps. With this modular approach, professional developers can quickly build applications without writing code line by line, freeing them for larger or more complex projects. They're also useful for users with little software development experience, like business analysts, office administrators, or small business owners. They can create apps with no knowledge of programming languages, machine code, or platform development work. In conventional software development, programmers write lines of code to create the function desired in a computer programming. But this can be time-consuming and requires skills, development environments, deployment processes, testing, and more. Low-code and no-code platforms encapsulate all of this work behind a user-friendly graphical user interface. Users can drag and drop reusable components, which are just visual representations of code, and link them together to create the desired computerized workflow. The difference between low-code and no-code comes down to the reason behind their naming. Low-code requires users to do some level of coding, mostly used by professional developers and programmers. No-code targets the non-technical user and is truly a drag-and-drop process. Additionally, low-code is commonly used to create apps that run critical business processes, or for apps and portals that likely require integration with other systems and data sources. On the other hand, no-code is commonly used for tactical apps to handle simple functions, and typically only front-end apps. Generally speaking, no-code platforms are typically a type of low-code, and the line between the two isn't always clear.